G-forces on the jet trainer are amazing because it's so different from what I've ever experienced in race cars before. In race cars, you're pulling regularly. Whenever you are accelerating and braking, the forces come horizontally. But on the fighter jet, you have like snaps of aggressive G-forces whenever you're cornering. Everything is like up and down. It's a real different feeling. Sometimes the pilot was doing some zero G and negative G stuff that sort of gave me a very strange feeling on my stomach. Then I almost felt like throwing up straight after. But it was something quite special to experience, I think. Certainly whenever we pull like plus 5G, your vision goes away. It was really, really hard to stay awake. I was not expecting it to be quite that hard. And I would say that flying the Airspeeder, like a really fast racing vehicle, would be amazing because you definitely like be able to skid around. You can use the motors to have much more freedom on all the axes. It would be so cool to try and push it so hard.
That was freaking awesome, man.